Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to enable subtitles on Prime Video. Whether you're watching in a loud room, learning a new language, or just prefer reading along, subtitles can make your viewing experience so much better. I'll walk you through the steps in just a couple of minutes, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into your Amazon Prime Video account. You can access this on the app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or through the website on your computer. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select the movie, TV show, or video you want to watch and hit play. Now, as the video starts playing, look for the control bar at the bottom of the screen. On most devices, you'll spot a subtitles icon. It's usually a little chat bubble or the letters CC for closed captions. Go ahead and tap or click on that icon. A menu will pop up showing a list of available subtitle languages. Simply select your preferred language from the options. If subtitles aren't available for that specific video, you might see a message letting you know. Don't worry, not every video has them. If you're on a web browser and can't find the icon right away, click on the gear-shaped settings icon in the video controls. From there, look for the subtitles or captions section and make your selection. For mobile users, if the icon isn't immediately visible, try pausing the video and swiping up or tapping the three dots to access more options. Once you've chosen your subtitles, they should appear on the screen in real time, making it easier to follow along. Pro tip: some devices let you customize the subtitles, like changing the font size or color for better readability. Check your app settings if you want to tweak that. And there you have it. You've just enabled subtitles on Prime Video. It's a simple feature that can really enhance your entertainment. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.